Stickasaurus here, and today we're starting on King Ohger Yellow. I don't know. I know it starts with a K. My bad. I'm sorry. I'll do better. I should have looked it up. I thought I looked it up, but I didn't. I looked up blue to make myself look smart. And here we are with yellow, and I failed. And that's okay. I'll never admit that I am smart. So we're working on this beautiful Model by 3 Command Center, but I feel like these side Manus things are supposed to go a little farther down, but it's fine. I think it's gonna look okay. We got the buck printed for the visor at the back. It printed rather okay. Actually, printed better than blue. Definitely better than black. So we're gonna get going on this. We're trying to get these all out, hopefully before King Ohger comes out. I think that's what, middle of March is, the usual start date. It is very end of January. I think February 1st is Tuesday. So I don't like putting times on these videos because they come out at wild times. It's like doing current events and then they're not current anymore. So, but they should be out. We've got red done. Black's almost done. Starting blue, starting yellow today, and purple needs printed. That will be coming soon. But this is about yellow, so let's get some sanding on this, and then primer and putty. So let's get to it. Got the visor, well, the black part masked at least moderately well. Like, so we're covering up the main part, so it's not a big deal. But we got the top where the eyes are and the bottom masked. And we're gonna try this. We're still doing Sunburst Yellow. Shout out to D, if you watch this. He used this on a Tiger Ranger. I was like, ooh, I like that. And he told me what it was. So we're gonna give it a shot. Since all the other yellows I've been using, I'm not happy with. But this looks beautiful. Sometimes with this gloss enamel, it gets weird when you put other paint on top of it. But since we're just going to put the eyes on top of it and I mask them so they'll be flat black, I think we'll be okay. So we'll get this on and hopefully it looks good. Okay, we're gonna glue the visor down, vacuum form that buck, cut out that little yellow part. So I just put it on, traced it, and cut them out. Good. Spray tint. Had a little run here, but it doesn't matter. It's covered up, and you won't see it. So that's perfect, actually. Not mad about that. And then we will just glue it down with some this go-to glue. It's Loctite. Thin coat. Glue it down. We'll tape it, which is always scary, but we should be good to go. And we'll get to the magnets, elastic. We should be good to go. Okay, visor I think went on pretty well. Everything looks good. We can get the magnets and elastic in, and then we'll get to the spin around. out another King Ohger helmet. This one is honestly, I think this one is eking ahead. That's my favorite. I really like this visor. I think it's so cool. You know, it actually looks like a mantis to me. Like, just glancing, I'm like, yeah, that's a mantis. I love the pink eyes. You know, it's nice. It's nice. These helmets are simple, but elegant. You know, I'm sure I might have said that already. I really mean it. I think this turned out pretty well. Had a couple little runs with the black, as you saw. I didn't know until we got the yellow on, and yellow's too hard to fix up. And it's just one. I was like, well, I guess we'll roll with it. So it does have one little run on it. I'm very unhappy about. I think the visor turned out super well. I was a little nervous about it because it was pretty big, and the buck I had was super big. But you know, I think we pulled it off. You can see out of it perfectly. And you can't. No tricks here. It's just all visor. So looking super fresh. Tonight is the press conference for King Ohger, so we're going to find out the cast and hopefully get a trailer. I'm trying to get this out ASAP, as I am with all these. This will be this week's for sure. Next week, look out for blue, 100% guaranteed, and then we'll finish strong with purple. Super happy with this. Really getting me more excited for King Ohger. I've never really been as for a brand new series. I'm always a little hesitant, but nope, jumping right in on this. Super excited. Can't wait to see it. I hope you're enjoying getting to see these before the show's out. Again, they might not be super accurate, but you know, I think they're close enough. But anyway, thanks for watching. Check me out on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus. Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Down in the description, you can find the link tree for a link to the merch store if you want t-shirts. The Discord if you want to come hang out and all that. The Patreon if you're interested, $1 tier all the way up to $20. We've got files. We've got a lot of exciting community builds coming. We got Tokyo 8, Tokyo 9, costumes coming, helmets, all kinds of stuff. Live Man, Gazelle, you know, lots of community build stuff. And we've got a lot more people on over there over the last couple weeks, and it's just getting more exciting. Everyone seems very into it. So come join the excitement. We're having fun over there. And if you're interested in any of the patches, K20 Customs has all the King Ohger patches. Go pick them up. Use my code KRStronger or my link down in the description to get 50% off of your patch order. But other than that, thanks for watching, and tune in next week when we take care of King Ohger Blue, Tombow Ohger. But see you then.